boy they blowing so. My network not good. I have the channel so network hook me for ground. Network hook to live me for ground. Morocco beat them with level. Hey Baba. 2-0. Morocco beat Cameroon 2-0. The Wowo match go sweet. Morocco young week Cameroon 2-0. 2-0. Dortmund Frankfurt 3-3. MK down. Aproko. The boy. This month, extra time. What's it draw? Cameroonians, I'm not tell them. How they go feel now? Cameroon they make match this morning, say that's what they go break up. Oh boy. See this just cup, I'll be here. Alright. Oh Arthur, please share this video back again. Share this video on WhatsApp. Let's go there. If you don't want to show you, I'm going to share a video on WhatsApp. WhatsApp, I must see. With the blowing so. Zero.
Come togliere la protesi dentale e la crema adesiva per dentiere. Segui questi semplici passaggi per rimuovere ogni tipo di protesi dentale. Usa uno spazzolino morbido e un po' di dentifricio per rimuovere ogni residuo di crema adesiva da palato.
You want to watch all my videos? Both on TikTok, on Facebook. You want to watch all my videos? You go to my YouTube channel, you see my video there. Any video where I do from the beginning to the ending, just go to my YouTube channel, you will see and then you will watch them. Any of my videos, all of them on my YouTube channel. If you see on TikTok a day, you don't see me for TikTok, go my YouTube, you'll see video where I do. Any video where I do for a year, they also go my YouTube. You see on my YouTube channel. I go when we're selling the same one year. I see my bum, my winner by say now. And then what we are going to say, come on there. Iye-eki na mena boy. Money you get over na kawe. Iye-eki ne mi no ma ye. Mba wa se o na iye-eki. Baby. Now I say no no my year na iya baby. On I say no na on nu ga gbe yesi. Uga bo na yesi do ga lo na ya wo no wa be. Now I say no no my year na happy with. When the brother and the sister now will say, I say, when you're going, when we say, no, no, my dear. I'm not telling you, who I'm not setting better here. I'll give you the one, I'm not setting you here. You see the kind of punishment we ordinarily get after she don't die in death, but this is a cause problem. Someone this call. Where you are, baby.
Con i tripli saldi d'oro, poltrone sofà, 50% di sconto più 20 più 10. Rino a soli 399 euro. Novate a 999 euro. In più ritiro dell'usato gratis. Poltrone sofà. Solo divano di qualità.
Ciao, un menù BECKY, per favore.
Sono 3,95. Ok. Tu quanto hai? BECKY KFC, un menù completo a 3,95.
Cooperative bem, Mora. Como é bom.
Ciao, domo.
Hello.
Domo. Me no na mo send a message go WhatsApp edere. Ina wa ma go teme dini me webo. Owe popori no re Madrid ni.
Popori akori.
No go o teme di perfume ma asa.
Otore ubula.
O teme ritali, o teme no ho ritali. When me
Okay.
adie daddy come, me adie daddy come, wa we na be go on WhatsApp.
I heard the guy going WhatsApp.
Awo wa be o ti me na go on WhatsApp.
I don't imagine easy Risha.
I dey link be message go on WhatsApp na. Link be message go no make na me.
You know the person why.
Almost so, but you will see something over me, see some 600 something euro. Or woman, yeah. You not send a picture egg, no buy the ya. You not send egg WhatsApp.
600 something euro. I got the perfume.
I'll go ya the perfume.
The country the boy stay.
In Madrid or yeah.
I think we don't stay Italy. Boyfriend again.
Boyfriend
Boyfriend again.
boyfriend
Just customer.
Oga ma we oka go the perfume, or go de. Ona ma abo see any day, you need the perfume. You not take a man or said the worry na cave your girl. Understand the guy now where I was seeing your hand door, you have a done and you send the go get out of a trust in it. Or you said that a perfume in it get. Or he said a perfume again, he was sick a day. Since last year, they said the day now. Very bad web one and you block out me. You say but you know who. Ni metere ni me gugu where in a way omana rigo ni ne or tell no who I am a bogbe. On a block out you know who.
Okay, you know what you know or do a kiss like that we do abi?
Yes.
I'm a block out you know.
On here, ever block out here. What you know when you have wish happy new year, what my reply, what blocking ye or blocking.
What's here popori?
Popori.
Well, picture guy, na mati picture guy there.
What updates? Domo. A picture where DM me way. Then it be message go no make na me. They send the details of where you go.
What update? But this is very you Let me tell you. Send a picture guy to my WhatsApp. Let me see. Popori. That's why I knew that I'm more.
Mo gbe message go be WhatsApp now.
Some people are animals.
Resemble the fear person, which will be a problem.
On the last voice note to not send your tell no who.
And the one they tell you, say, how you take day, this is social media. Oh, no level. What will be your stress? No level. You help.
On avait goût, toi, de on met d'autres là. Wow. Popori wetin?
Eteri Madrid, Eteri wa ni Eteri. Ona ye popori riovan.
Popori Madrid. Koti on kuna hina. Wow. Ana ni popori na.
You know.
Oji na hina. Oye boye na hina. ati we no ko yen ka we ge one shot ati we no ko yin wa very yen gbe. Who have a goose worth about 700 or 600 euro mugioma my one ranu. Only I'm going to on my with to that stupid trust be that one. Yeah,
Well, okabe kien okabe owun kabe kien ni maberio. Owu gbeso yan be gun yen de. Yan wo sin abe ni de. Yan be send de gian. Eni ga oba be kien na bo si o ni yan send go gie.
We no want Amazon na Amazon fi goose ni akemi akemi di ba account already. You for the Sudan one for abroad. A dodgy. Automatic matter. Yeah, boy, I don't want to do this because anybody ya go na. Di yan we be banamish. E boy na go na.
Because when you explain my man, or when the boy toasting, or when you not have my way, yeah, quite a relationship. And we have a relationship in Oparapa. We have my relation, anything relationship. Even metal bibe na you call it the guy. Or when they not do relationship, or when he help and sell him, he use the he never get the money now he go pay him. You know that then we carry it and honest one go here. And the other you block him.
See, this guy's a criminal. Oh yeah, no. Oja. Popori. Terry, or Madrid, Javi.
You know you.
680 euro. Okay, I'll tell you very well.
Our team member with TikTok or yan banner.
I'll tell you 3 local na.
Sir?
Very much no kola dia. Do show. I'll tell you very well. Then come on, you come to it Terry no over.
Hina.
No fair to go now. Wow. No, tell no.
I'll tell you hold
We love should not give me man. Other duties. Shipping address. Asaboro here. Or Senegi. How Asaboro here or Senegi?
Naya send the egg address or every year. Naya said the egg any address of why we are moving Madrid.
Saleh Marasara Palabedra. Now the same place where Attitude. The same place you Attitude. La brother Madrid. The same place you Attitude.
Because Timero Hotetana, or when I am my bogbe. And now when it come with picture than social media. Because I do my bogbe, or do woofa, do amuna zemunoso.
Why am I born? But when I am better. Better. She's a marvelous life for her. When we gene, I do our me and bring a picture come on one of the scene. This is Popori of Madrid. It's a criminal. Anybody will do this with this guy, you are your own. Ajebor, no. Always in here, I don't know, getting pay. At the end of the day, pay. Now, spade is stay. Ain't nothing in your life. It's all about scamming. Popori of Madrid, no, all like me go. Wow, that we all now. We couldn't for no harm. Now we want to do this with him. We couldn't know. So this guy a criminal. Nobody should have things to do with him. May I break the other half a picture, come on. And the other picture with this one. And they call Popori of Madrid. We are what they are. Oji work with W. Oji the kilo of for a boy. And somebody goes to give him a poor me. They do. Are you going to married be? Now you tell the run out you when you are. So look back at you, don't mind not one. Don't marry queer. Don't marry ya be kia.
Yes, now because only way you give no ya That way, in your distress, in your need money, in your do this one, in your do this one. And when you see any man that they say you,
Hello. Hello. Yeah. It's a guy that's an idiot. A picture that came like that before. He can't picture like that. No, I can't picture like that. That's me. Yeah, my jirina. He came like that before. That was not TV. I can't this come last year. Now say Popoli of Madrid. If I just don't see him, yes, he can't picture like that. I know. I mean, because I'm not even by gay. Don't feel carry this guy picture come out. Now this for our brother we are TTD. Now tell me say yes, I don't feel carry this guy picture come out. I cause make it come and say the carry matter come for me for social media. Matty. And they would see on my platform, but I do live. Yeah, all life, they get like platform there. Popoli or you talk.
no, you ever have a reality talk, yeah.
Yes, now I just Popoli something. My TikTok. I just see us now how they remember so that address. They are you can't picture. You can't like that. I don't know what you Only you go, Ajebor. What are you able to ra? Now if you go back when you move back when I go family problem, you know. Now you we are see no. Nonsense. Only you go back when I go critical. I have born na ya born na. I'm now obo ya see problem of it. She's very bad. No, I will not afford the vina gear. Was the record of Nagi Hamawi Matagari Kiklahum steady €680. No fear my Nayaki perfume. My pay. What a stone. It ain't a task because I had to worry go away. Yes, senior year. Every day came on a matter of what working and working it be. If you are a task, me, don't we not go further for investigation to pay. That's how we are investigating Ghana. I was here and let Gary pitching in Latin. So I'm view Bonnie here. Can do that. If she wants more investigation, we have to spend money because you are go. How is it? City, you are a couple people come and guys from the city. So that's a picture like that. They'll give me control. All the niggas will surround down. If you're pitching here, so I'm going to have your body because you have look perfume me. Oh, you low boy, got dinner, you act back with you. Nonsense. Very anyhow person. But you know, now, tell what you know, go do with Nigeria be.
We are not going to Nigeria.
I don't know if you like be a girl. I was you going on. I want to be mom. A family of criminal. It's a criminal family. Ekbojina, you know, this family is a family of Oji. I have my own one tie. I will in Oji go to November, no matter. I don't know what you want. Otiara, also you get a yard walking. Only what is coming you are here. This one now still on that age with your brother. You know what's young about the Oji. You go into terror investigation, you find out you know what's young about the Oji. No worry, I already get no rate months. You need to work on me every time myself. Wonderful. All right. Oh, out of a national pistol. Let me remove that picture for you. Because I'm going to be able to beautiful. And you see, all this kind of scam, criminal arts, no make sense. If the woman said it, boy, Do me go no ya the perfume. Arif market. Ya do this market bari. 5 euro, 2 euro, 3 euro. Or this market. Or 20 minutes on a la. Spray. Then we are that show you there. You the boss time with it. You the money. You will not say ya. This is very bad. You get my point now. Tomorrow, get ready for another bongi topic. Another bongi topic. Some women are ashamed to come out on live video to speak. When they listen, you don't see this movement with the gun now saying all parents should take their responsibility. Fathers should be part of their children. Many women are ashamed to speak for live video because of the saga, blah blah, blah blah, all this kind of stuff. What will they talk inside house? They can't explain. And they talk and see the advice men. If you don't want to be humiliated on social media, but down your and still get on that chance. So this year, saga go too sweet too. Don't be lie. Many of them now baby mother they cry out. And that's what say some they shame to come live video. When a baby mother they cry come out. Probably where they get what they will say, no one come out live broadcast can't talk. Apart from that, many they cry from my ears since yesterday and since morning. About their baby papa not taking responsibility after 2 children, a pardon move. I will for pick a call. Oh God. First of all, this evening, let me pray for single mothers. Not be useless single mother I want to pray for. I want to pray for single mothers that are responsible. Single mothers that are single-handedly taking responsibility of their children without the fathers. Especially those ones that the father has abandoned. I want you to begin to pray for now. A morning, we are being a bottom no one who are ye. When I call Agbon Aro. Ustrobo no do ama. Alago da wa yami. Wa hiana gbi, wa hiana mu. Ana hina. This is Spanish. Spain and here abe bejo. Ude ile una call it anyway. And I pray. No way, no woman gema or gema. Wow. That prayer is very, very powerful. That prayer is very powerful. Okay, man. You didn't know about the worry. Alright. As I was saying before the breaking in transmission, I will single mother. They could not kill with this prayer. I'm not joking. This is not saga. I'm led to pray for you guys. I'm sign your banana. On that way, I knew what we know. Understand? Obama, I have cooked on your one. You Asaboro everybody. Single mothers. No, I want to pray for. So the responsible one will not be the useless one. Single mothers that are single-handedly taking responsibility of their children alone. Secondly, single mothers that wish they want their baby part to be in charge of their children, and their people refuse. Now they be the man and they be the woman. In fact, alagoda wa hiamie wa ato wa ikpe lagbon omoni wa bieni o amanu wa aria no ya wa mo egiri wa mo oda wa hia wi hunda oda na mpi anwe egbu wa rirun egbu wa rirun mi hunda we gbore rirun wa gbise yo when you don't wa gbise yo kill with the prayer and you will be blessed. So boy ka no wa ma ebi ya fe na anya gbo ya agwaro wa mu 7 wa why talk gege why yokpe won dugi why tuto wan zaka unda zaka to wa gbon ana yemila ho ye ebi na gbo mo wa gbe single mother no ni gbe e wa akin single mother no ti gba ori ye e wa akin be na e mi ewe okperun wa bie na osiwa idawe o ma se ba gbon o so bo kan ya wo wa okpe na yoku o so bo kan igi wa okpe na agu wa be na goba e so bo kan igi wa wa ile lo pe oja wa ile lo pe na osiwa bo yeke wa ile lo pe na mu wa moria okpe akokpe na mu wa moria na oni ri adagbu wa so lo bo we ni ka o no se fa yin agbe no ya no sa so aso yan ti yan ga sun wo be ne woruwa a da male ru bi ayo ni okpe na ogu wa kokko mu no ma gengion mu e so lo bo ni ka wan ya wo wa ina le ma we pon me irun ki a we pia ni gba ore mo ni abie ra ni we gba ore ko ni ari wa alagoda wa mi wa to wa pe e na gbo mo wa gbe ironu wa ya gba ore mo ni gba ore ko ni wari wa e ri wa e pu wa ka von na von da wa ya wi egbu wa mi ame hunda we gbogere ero wa ato enu nanu wana ewe na negbi me ewe na ne fans me ya fe kino se kino ra me kino re ma o kino re ma kino we da video na o gbe ari no gba ogo mo o no igba ori bi eru na o wa ya no wa ato wa ipe oba ato pe ise hello what up babe okay ilero ni pele ba ina ni pele ba pele ina ni ko ina ni pia no let's see what yeah. All right, my people, my lovely people, what in every nonsense there is always a sense. This is what we do soon. You go favor man, you go favor woman. Wa say your yare ni wa gbe say yo. This year go favor man, he go favor woman. Most of the men will go favor. Now the men will take responsibility of their children. You see those men when they move from bar to bar, when they drink grow up and down, they go forget they give woman belly. They know they take care of their responsibility. Iyan gba ore mo, iyan ma de mo aye, iyan ma de mo ada. Esowo iyan ya gwa le we kode na ri oba ya mi money wo bi owo e be mo marian. Gbi aberio. Ah, the runi aweta mo bogbe yan wa gbon in comment section. For 2 minutes, make it that here. If we are not doing big nonsense, ero ahian na ni ya a me bogbe yan. When you go na get one more sharp. Ko when tell you no go house good matter. I'm in the spirit right now. O we are not in neru no igwalo deko de. O we are no me konu gwen we ya bie. O pe na agwalo no lawe no na do ba ya mi wo mo. O pe na agwalo wo wu. Ogbeni no siwe koto. Oh, dayo bi palo. On na wele na wani ri ori ya we ni wo abude ori oni wa ori woni wo ye. Edogbonu ye ra sitinu ye. O ya we ni ori agboya ya we fi afo a. Egbo pe awerio. Tirunu wa na na. Nane runi abina tie bone. Yes or no? Yes. None. No. None. You are hearing me sharply, fastly. Share the video. If you are hearing me right. Hello? Igbo be awerio di ngwa ona na liru ni abi na mo ebogbe nta mo go eje na igororo no be joke alone. All right. All right. Iliru nawe ikbiani gba ore money ban. You understand? I pray for them. Bino gba ore won liru ni ane ban. Ni gba ore won ti yan sun ani run ni an. O agbo liru, o ya gba ore gbo. No gba ore mo, alawo da won yan mi. Obodo kire na ni tomu hunda we tomu te gbe mu ne. Imonu we gba ogedi na grace no so bari la da gbiyan mo le yan. If you now stand as a father to be taking responsibility of a child, knowing where okunu marry or kabiene, have it in mind you have already acquired a lot of blessing. The blessing that follow those children, because why? The Bible said, whosoever found a wife found a good thing, and the favor of God be added unto it. So the favor of God is the children who comes with blessing. Fresh blessing. So if the father of those children refuse to accept those children, automatically they have failed as a father and they have lost that blessing from the Most High God. The blessing will now rely on you, the stepfather. That's why if you check most of this stepfather, they do well past the biological father of those children. You know why? The blessing with those biological fathers was received because they refused to take their responsibility and take care of their children. Another man, that man who they take off, God will use that blessing to wipe that man. That man will forever be blessed. Also, not me with so yan udanya badon money abie anani man of bawo mono abie allow that one keep on doing it eda here ga there are small boys in ya ni fear gesi big gana they are coming on sigma not good sigma not good sigma not this one sigma not this one I'm a bug because we all the go to Europe there be a shawo there is so cool this is any you my me vagbon it's so unfortunate way igbi ku igbi awe oni you my me vagbon no me ne emi no yata you my me dagbon na dini e no be ya me dagbon dini e you will regret all his action. You understand? So respect to all those mothers who have been taking the responsibility of their children single-handedly alone. So don't give wa ama, lagoda wa ami. Even na muamma wa gbe wa yokpa wa manu wa iva wa manu wa. Oda wa hen we gbe deri yeke. Emani di mamo yen secret wa ye. Why to why be? Why yokpe on tugi? Why ye bon wa Pierre, you don't know what a cow. What I want to say. I want to also say very big thanks to my lovely, beautiful wife, my queen, the love of my life. Okoni musi. O bon o rame. E do ne kwino rame. O regbe nebu. Anoma, you know, ame, Juliet, Umenwan. Or working baba with a smile. Wato kan ni mo se na gbon mo egbe wato amose e ho no ma so lo bo ari nu ni e hi ziegbe iziegbo wa so lo bo ari nu so go no ge khori ara le hian ri benu ma dan hi ga hunda we na ma se ga ti e bo no wa ai we no se ni wa yes e ma ya du we ma se social media na ni yunu ya rohoi o ginya we na go mon go be bie o si e wa ga so fia fo wo no u ya bie yin isef unda we ama nwa se ombo wore ni bu ama lawa awe na boy como no sike we ni no lawa no enu jie e kinya lo de mi na do ti e boru ni ma e we jie o talita to owo wo yo wan ya e mo do oyo wan yo ja ma ke na e o janu we na the social media e mo do o ya we yo ya na e mo ko se mo nu bie mo no ene gbe no yes e mo ne re gba e mo no ku neru na me wani mo understand both women abroad ma be beside o ma bie mono gbije o ma bie mono stabiye no babe eki oda no baki oda yiyamu ati ogbale gbije o ma bie gbe money o keri ya ko ni gbe o si eni menu memwe enwe ni ra ye ya mi ona we yes boko yo ni adu bomo agi pa you understand no ye passport ye ari gile the UK no fear baby adio wa do a squad the carbon ye mu adia obo no mo ni mu ri dori e balance ni ogo no bi omo pa kan ma ti gba ori o ki ati gba oro mi ne slippers get size o ka me to wa ma wagbon ebi na gbon amma wagbe wa to amusi we mo se na kesun ayohi ya o so we si follow kan wa na we magbon odo wa kewere we ma sie be na resu na mu yezike be na ge ye ni kokomo esu no kagele we esu no kagele you are a chocolate. Mami, I need chocolate. Ibieka yala, ami we agogo mwe. Uda amyuki, kago gomwe. Uki, ewehi. I who were busy because omo se agi agbon ewon or last go where ya can't last year do I beg you with Facebook unda where so boy you don't know any gbe awo no menwa ododo bo ma gbe yes you are not a single mother you are a married woman a single mother I feel like conbo e won we jealousy no that go matter ati for ma son abo we yawo eziza omo bu mi ajo wo do new year palo ma ge na fi awo solo bo au dazia baba ori ole iye era iye no re mi ni a su me kian mi ba so de ya gba o mo me gba o me o ko no ya gbe me ya su e kian mi ba so de o ba sese gba loko o ba gbon be mi ro pa ti gba we as far as you are married to Umenwan. Yes. Or we go beken or weke. Unda go pe manu du. Owo to yi. Umenwan ko. Ka bo mu o kan nu wa na o ma wa gbon. Is my lovely wife. Ye Kevin o mo no. Ni o ma ge awon o su se yo. Beni me ge se me mi gbo ko yo de. The way bona na ugwaji na. Na mi boy. Yes now. Me ha mo ko ne wala re will you marry me? Well, yes I do. Wa ve mi wa no God forbid. Oh God. O ma understand. O wa gi o to boy ka mi no. O go nyi mo ma. Mo no ta over no. Ilago de. O ka we no je. Wa to o ga me wa ma wa gbon wa to mega be ni me yan ku gbe ya be bi me my to gege my to wa zaka unda zaka to wa gbon ana ye mi la o ye eru ni nana o ga me na e be nana mi ku ni en le gbe ya fe no ro tu le gba ruda u ke mi ko no en gbe we bora ni ma ina ilo abu dama kade ku we bu we sagele mayo e mayo sagele mayo so ko paran ai lowo yo lowere eni ka u dazia baba ori o le iyan do yo kan na ya we iyan do ya we gift me o se ni ga omi o kan na e go se na ga e go se na ru o se na de go di yo ewe o kan na gele iwe go se ni ga e go se ni ru o se ni han de go di yo ewe yes na okono eni gbogbo me de me no ye hun de eri me ga ye last year eri ga ye last 2 years ya eri ga last 3 years ya while le me na Facebook na eni me na wa time na strong na we motive be palo we ma dem e voy e me yi na wo degbe e me yi na a sexual dog me to ka na big go ya ye me na go yimi mo ri do agun agba we na re ave jando e ba me ke jando America jando no ro Nigeria Italian jando you get my point now America can deposit behind Italy one as well oh God I don't want to drink I want yon awe gbe a okay lalo de kapati ya nwe bie egbe a kokpe a o iwe nwe gede wudu you understand okpe an egbe oko e wo ya won ye toy won we ye sorry rice o gbegbe e wo ni buni laja immediate do asaga o memu e kia na ya enya fieji it's so unfortunate we dey meje be no kun me se social media na be me really se me very me bolo se social media na e hia na ne oyo onyiwe magini bun di media and I mean on no person from no for life e me yare yiwa o se hia so ya so de bio old school e am old school old tele old mates Oh, now we are getting no ga. We are getting no anyway. That's but I show your location. We your bottom.
Yes, so.
Among Bariva, exact. What?
Puta.
Off a boo.
My wife called me a man, very putana. Make you wellness in Ava. Even no time now, or even be wild, not Waka. When you got here 3 years ago. Your name ceremony.
We'll go.
Your name ceremony.
Yes.
We are not to ati. But who wear again? Or you will not be koto. You can't be a man. Fucking now. Oh, you be koto again. It's
Asaboro. Saboro ga. Ungo ga.
Mama, you know what? You are no palo. In a way, he's salo by a cafe. In a way, Frankie, I went Frankie Mosem, now again, woman Mose at all.
Epona iye mo se de new. Abi yo vive here la, abi yo vive mo vive go ni salo bo.
In a way, okay, no see, no here see any before that and after. In a way, the woman I must say, in a yana yagifie. In a way, any fucking again here yana good. Am I getting one never walk for never? Am I getting you feel over? Again, you work away,
Look me why easy ga. Na anya wo.
Is I will not to achieve, we are not and you go let me ceremony. Where any yapping, eh?
Okay. Ni wa buni yan.
Kinky river, a lion river, the avian, no.
Avian yan mi vedro, avian. Egani Any gili.
I know what I'm not doing it. I see you celebrate kicking. But I love a woman when you kicking. Open my park when you kick.
Any gili. It's a kind of word to swim. When I'm a kid, no, I didn't move for war. We can't be a king here. And why show your body?
Oh, look how I were kicking me. I don't even put them and I don't see it. Now, where I'm up again, I kicking me one. Yeah, we are pursue a kick or kick. I'm a kick a far. In a start, look, why give by Frankie? In a way, no, not again, you to ya live where to ya pass over where and run out, will now when we see. Emani na ya le when you went without the one you went when. In a way, unani man fast when again. When I went to where we got it.
Okay, don't be lying. Don't tell me the prayer. Don't tell me. Don't tell.
Ina kuma bege mo pe wa ga ba fa na be na be fit na be kila ta me wa se pe YouTube be TV o wo to aya wa fe de na we ni be ge e na we ke le give video na o
That was sponsor.
oh when I wa be go ka na we eri ga je last 2 years eri ga je last 3 years e na we o ya ti na we ya wa ti ni ka
Don't be lying. And the
e
truth.
ka bi wa se o Where say Mikey my beg when we go to where say we to we can sha
express yaro aduro we ya jamma ke oni na bo ya gbebu
Esa well, papa. A story you know.
e ka boni
Mama only one that see. My coge wema.
we se ma wato oh we be erioji you understand omo na biere na not in 20 years time even ya bi na him ya ji we kinu wan especially as a man una de kun okunori joy no. I married my wife because she gave me happiness. Not because of any other thing. Because of just the happiness. The joy which they give me. Nothing more. You man, put out what you boy or Umenwan. So I just did it. Wow, cool. Yeah, if you knew me where we here, be a woman that tolerates. Or who not tolerate except you would ya. Because we don't see my nick behind. I didn't make bad only. I didn't make do okay. Okay, at least stay with a man. You must learn how to tolerate a man. May get different character. Different character. Behind. So you imagine where me what you say. Who buy stay? What me you wa? Ijo. O ko ni o se na ga. Ega se na ro. Ega se na ga. I said, na de go di yo nya o. O no ma la di awon de do ti e bo ni jime. E gbo ko we do ma na de go di na. O no ma ta we yo ya shawo. O ya shawo. Ogun ogbiju e. E gbo ko we yo ni. O we ni eri go ne. Just dey play. Just dey play. Onion ko na omuna koko wa. That's how to know umuna koko bowa. Any me bolose, okono ma ti ogbalegbe ni me one day. Unu wo kin ati stay oda fun we kawe obo kan e sashi kibe na hina, e gefere me na hina, ovian ye WhatsApp. Wa jis you know what taking us owo. Wa jis to work yonder for me nuwa. Okono na the tradition. When you talk of tradition, go and call my wife. Go on the window ya go and cool. One year soon for my history. You understand? To have a rono, et a guan. When I say I call ya, it purposely way speaker. I purposely do it because you get my point now. I mean no phone now or agboyagbe. Ohun kena ya talo ya sakwe. You cannot change it. O kan no. Imara ene mego yawune. Ima mara the social media. The reason why no wana me a video ni wadege ni. Ige we life. And the marriage for not do life. Because I've recorded what I needed. I've already did the record already. Ige we life. Udege or more done here ya zomo. You know say we life. De didn't ya zomo ni. Akoko you make be or I don't kick be or ya call. Because only whether on him Emma do gione. Yati. Daddy. Then me. Ele talkshow. O mata we. Ye makoli ya mareo. Ye kuleba ya kwao. Ye makoli ya mareo. Ina wale relax. We go na akoko ibo kigbe ne. Amogo yo ko wune. Yes sir. Ye wari ko wona DJ wa cool. DJ wa cool in Nigeria. Ye an yo ko wona. Ni ana we live video ko ni an derima. O zeri ma we live broadcast. A studio stands. This is green background, black background or raw, white background or raw, mostly white background. I am a picture. In case one here crop bay or change when you moto when you different background using white background. Yeah, see white background in your back. In my white background here with picture as a studio. Nobody will do marriage will get that for us. We don't do one. In none way, when you gonna do nobody for this social media, no way marriage. No me background now. When you want to marry anything, they will think, hey, na cultural marriage. Even we're getting a cultural marriage. When you go to Mazeyo, you have a video partner. It's started by you. A big or with the video, you have to see the background. And I'll show the makeup in your way. This the same thing. When you go to adore. Now cultural marriage, I don't want to what's your background now. You're not getting what door. I look at you guys on social media and I see illiteracy. You know, my year school, they don't know anything. They are not computer wise. Any photographer, no, you photographing, no me a background. Oh, I'm going yes, a man, a zigano. What you been? Oh, you know, even there. How come? That's studio lights. A boss, you know, a big boss. Or whatever you want. You have flip a camera and you will see it here. I took two like a vapakaru. I will use Nyan Legay to a bang shine. Me, I do always do one because the money color will change. The way I see as this guy come fair, I will take in a kita. Only 2 bulb back around 2 bulb. No, 1 bulb, and this one supposed to be the second bulb. In a disco lights. Also, another disco light of live background. Lega. This is the real bulb you look. Yeah, you are banya. In a switch to disco lights. You understand? Because here magic school, they don't know anything. They don't know anything. Nowadays, they manipulate these background lights. In there, what they do, is snappy when you more computer edited. I don't know why you. I don't know. I don't know. I do chair. I don't know you. My old photographer that deal with equipment. Now we know what to be photography. Equipment not can low. I will give you what you want. I will use them. Me not be a ina se ti bokuku yoku. If it's a was, it's they're supposed to worship me. They're supposed to celebrate me. Even though was that you may now wear. Efravita, everyone do get. And I knew what to work bokuku yoko home. Yet you push be ashamed of yourself. And those in the diaspora are ashamed of themselves. Somebody for inside. Menokbia in a moito in a draft okuku traditionally. No, why I think of having my contact to learn on how to do those kind of things. Everyone the hammer in Nigeria. When you go to pay the person not disappoints. The person disappoints. Where's no one to spend? Oh, make I sit down, make I do you. Oh, I'm dread. 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock. I wake up. Maybe sit down me and plait your hair. Me and you drive the kusha shabu. You feel I say I go do and relax. Relax. Okay, joking now. I'm not really joking. Frankie, Ziga, be like me. You might okay. And me no we na. You never sit down. And that's why I'm running, not drafted. Also, I see video now. Una for no see more way. One be your way, more to more way. So that the person not disappointing enough forward again. You understand? It's my happy day. So I don't need to insult people because I love you. No. For those who know me, no say, my brother, if you know someone me, we are on way, none of I don't want to feel free. Better soon don't have a money and we sagam and it's Tio of a bit tigoni. Or else no as half and no one carry go. No. Don't get that fear, say, because now present you go that sagami, no now. Let go. Things they happen to people, they oppress me quietly. Chop my money quietly, codedly. Even though, if I go free, I'm married and what to do. Get here on my bed. You understand? It's so I'm going, pardon, sir. If I go, no, I don't forgive you. Let's go. Just the truth is that connection, you don't spoil it. I can never do business with you again. Master. He said, more one, me ye bere ya mo. Ina ye bere mo wa. The Roma wa. Palestine 2-bedroom ni aye ni. Ke na go mo let lovely ye, na go receive ya e. O bo ya mo wa ni. 1 year and 6 months in say wa ni. Ina pay 450 euro na the person. The person ma pay the lot. The person na the person at the court. Ona ye court go ya na queue do. Na close o wa ni for you women my. Is this? Do you see the person? Not saga no. Both the pose and everything, you know, yeah. It must saga because why? You get where it better about it. I don't big past that one. You want to make carry go. But today, another apartment on this so. You know the reason why I get this other apartment. It must be now. It must see be na must hear so. Nobody for this community will not hear that story. But me let social media. To the extent people here was not even fighting for me. They are tracking the person where I say go. You know we know see here. We do this is Bini. Oh we do my young. Let's go. Over here I have beddy. Over here 1 year beddy. I have to move my club as a chairman. Arewa. Mana gbeli go nya. O ma invite a club. Every club ima. Due to say na he document at a carry house. I monopolize my club members. Arewa. Are the beddy. Mokba you invite. You can imagine the full community. Ona inviting Mokba. But be here now come with crowd. You know everybody with crowd. He is surprised. That's why you see Lanyoli. And that's why you go Yakoi. You know why? Now because I see him as my landlord, my guy. But today, it going my soon. Over here 2 years better than now. Well, over the late new one even on your way bed now. Oh, my gay vetting now. If we might get vetting me, the 1 year better the last living year. If we might get vetting, no more invite anybody. The Palestinian. Because the bad name, no do Chris name, so you know how we life now, or I give you. Then you so immediately. Yeah, so well, he died no know there, but overcome here. Egg bovon sauna ne. Understand? Egg bovon mori mo we no we my ga asire yo o we ga wa we do one we yima. Egena ya yori oh we how we or more time life in a way. E man e bu yeru gbegbe Libya. In Africa country, in across here la obo. In do you may agree page. You know saga me. In a great page. I don't want Africa country. No day. On our social media. Africa country you. Ima on de. Egeni ya gbina ni ya sin yosigeni ye Sharon. Them is golden. All the person here here platform me. On the buy. Abandon Godota. On a mate picture on son roue. On vivant au doux, ni un soir vivant jamais. You know, Ima on a and this person or Africa country. Erebo Africa country, ye ravicos, basha ravicos. O ye giagekia ravicos. On a rovi me, no picture of the Mario. Ima. Yeah, this is the video. He zoom the person picture. Yeah, like forget. He zoom it. This is the person. Reina saga no give of you no give Sharon. Ogi Sharon. Omana he she was talking with. In the team is good. Miss Golden. Oh no. Oh yeah, me anyway. Yeah, what we now. You must know. What's away? We may call her. You may know about it. I'm not going to call her. Or you cannot conference with me. You got a bar. Why may you me am flexing man? Me what you wear? Me an atalog. A social media not all. After you end the live video, if you come, you hear say Ajebor, I enjoy myself. Yes, you are senior. Yes, you are senior for you are stressed. I don't go to flesh. Mereba me yokwe. Bika ge sikala le gave. E call debi ko be ga conference call. Ana hina. E o dele person ga na ga godi. No. E call met me call. Let me focus on my enjoyment. Very important. Bana de yokwe. Always a kunya ze call conference ngi momo. Na e call with the rest. E pa te call o. Me dege Africa no ba. Africa country no ba de back home. E gbe ko lori me mu ana ho we ge no ga video yan we no here e man me ya gbegun we no ya group page. It's very simple. Me pani ka bo we mu we e man ni rume ya bugbe e ra beje the social media no ne runu menwa the too plenty e ka bo mu wa wesi Munda we osa ko kiane mi la ne mo osa o gbinane agbo nene go e mata e pa kun ibi edo iya hite mata edo iya oni ahe mata ori ifye nya gbe e ibi edo poboji. This person is doing well. So kumpa no vete ni ka udazi akpa ma ori ole e mata okay o gba no hiya ti mi ye ya fan, and that's the reason why I stood by standing alone without having friendship on this cyberspace. Adu ago na si obo imagwalo. Vedi gba ekwaro go as one man squad. I love it. Mama we no one by time my tafia of favor. Don't give me group me. Hono I governor of the state. Oh we no my thing without no payment I pay me. That's why we if doni ni gbe ni road no ba ji. Opo agbeya uzo egun. Yes. Might be small in size. The mighty man Israel yedo ni road no ba ye will give me no Umenwan. Iman wani bon wa hen won ni ati wo wa se ame no ba yan. O hiyo e come here ya go. O se aru bi na ro na I dey get joy. You already the mom. No see me I know what she means. She know what she means. A connection of me yeah na. But so you ask but so at you go money go. You go ke mo ye call with you mo ye call. Ovia me mini mo ye call with man true e man bun ni ya kalo man ya leru ni ame no bian. You understand? Ab yo gega ti owo kan. Uno ri egi e bo pada yi. Na grace. When we not see it, these same people know people that are speaking truth. Despite we be Ajebor. Even the road number any abi oni enegbe, abi piani enegbe, both home and abroad. Here we me matter. But almost jano one side mo oga bowoge ogbegbe ga go first here. Only pull your body ya try control kiri. Banda say e kwa control. No. Ode ke we do si agbada le ran si agbada le giza do nyama. At the end of the day, you don't stand for truth. When I can bring my fire. That's what any broadcast. You don't see me the right. I don't like it is what even nagbebe. I they count my blessing. I they name them one after the other. Yeah, totally okay. Let me give you agenda of my last year. My achievement of my last year. People that have touched their life throughout last year. When I go here for social media, it be like say I will create one day, do that video. Imani, ni platform where you go now. Menu memwe, no what your mozo. You know memwe, yeah my way boy. That's the way you see those respect me. You know, you go me ako nobody ya TV Umenwan. The how going on. Singa, they know we got going. Tell we got home. Egwa got home. Are you baga home? You really go on. It's either go on yeven. Yeah, we are minami we are going yeven. Come you say. Moment when say. It was over any cow. So one of you are one of the share video you see them in the you are. Well, we see. It's not by my book. Didn't more tell one of my share video. My say it's people no gima. Eto ma share. Be the demo say na. Wana you share. E ma ya to ya down here. Umenwan na down here. You understand? Where I do have one shot. Evenuta. I cannot hear. I cannot kill. You are talking out of hatred. Hey man, you there's one thing in the mouth that say presenters who have one video now. Even the man who understand where. Hey man, no gima. Here I want say man. I dey tell you guys the truth. People when they watch us, they guess as pastors. If me, person go still come and advise me, and I go still take that advice, I go use and follow up. Suppose that person guesses past me. I still have the own job my own. Guys, for my own wisdom to go higher. So people that are watching on the guesses pastors. Somebody call me. Oh, it's you, man. I want my pa. Now Jamie day. No Umenwan. My brother hello. Oh, you're a bad guy. You mean a bad guy with him a guy. Why you thought that? With that woman where you go marry so. My brother, you be bad guy. Oh. I wait for see that woman. I me baby holding my guy. That one I hold tell. They only come out. My guy, you smart. Oh, you smart. Yeah, but why does that? Oh, wait, because if to say you lose God, any sharp guy must see that woman on one hand. Oh, agwari. Oh, I'm a boy. He exist. Why na me na wala problem? I don't know. Oh, mother woman. Oh, you why we marriage? Oh, we get from up to toes. You know, when I easy gano. What am I going on no gem you on a read do holy me you know I read there from up to toes. You get drafted me you get go. I want a woman make me no idea. I just laugh. Now again, that's to tell you people are indoor. They not let they listen to you. In damn him with her. Your body language you want see. When they read your body language, they know if you are sincere, if you are honest, if you are truthful, if you are a liar, they know. Yeah, I see ya guys about going a demo fee. Yeah, do you know the house I will yompa or was like you after the wagon. It may not come in mega in it's body language and he know that he's sick. A demo fee again for me. Oh my god, now, what's the problem? I ask a question. A very simple question. Any demo for you social media now. No, so it is then. No, VECKY or Maolo. All your saga cover up. You can't cover my words. A demo for you got in here we worldwide. Also your social media. Everybody know. Now let me trigger your brain again and again. And I'll keep on trigger your brain and again until you do what I say. And the more you will know no peace. The government ya donation where a god you or you provide the documents. Basta. I said with my full chest, if you can provide the document, I will use my platform to raise funds to buy you that gold of 100,000 euros. Or take one year, I will do it. It's simple. If truly and according to what you said on your video, you control completed everybody in the house, complete the full step of the criminal that came to your house. Beautiful. I love that. Definitely, they will ask you question, which type of gold, you will drop everything. Mr. Edwin Idahosa, the elder brother of this Deputy Governor of Edo State. Can you please provide the general public, the whole world, the donation paper with Deutschland Bochum Policia. Right, say yes, it is true. Criminal came to your house. Just send it on air. Let the whole world know. Basta. Second question. Your wife should go for a DNA test of Osase, the first son. If not be his ex-boyfriend, Malay, Nangeli Biki. And two things I ask her. How are you, boy? On I'm in the office, so you not too much. A presenter, all presenter don't bring this idea out. Umenwan wearing. Most of the movie go the way away. I go join you fight. If you're good. I'm not joking. Ori money money go me. Money go way. I want justice for your gold. But the way you draft the whole scenario, you're a scammer, you're a liar. And that's why give me proof for me to know where your gold really miss. If your gold miss, Baba, I go fight for your gold. I go pay you the money for the gold. Motorway, I go pay you the money in cash. Tell me how much the gold was. You say a gold that was 100,000 euros. Fine. I'll pay you the money. Even now, I'll beg my fans. I get people. I get big man for corner where I go beg. See, no, see, Ajebor of live video. We me la value me. I'm a 4 million, I'm a 5 million. But they will give me. I'll go down my knee. I'll beg. They will give me. I get for UK. I get for America. I will call. Now I can't for call the state. I will drop my ego. I'll call them. Mommy, I beg. I need money. You see what I talk. They will give me money. You know they go me. You understand? I will pay for your gold. Bro, post the picture. Post the paper. To really show your gold lost. It's okay. Post the Benuya Donisha. We go the way we in the police yare. Post the social media. Me auntie go in. I will pay you the money. Proudness. Joke. Toki. Hello? Yeah. What are you doing? Okay, let me cancel this automatic bring up. Cancel it. Can bring people up automatically. You understand? So you see, say, if you do the railway book, they are watching our videos. If a statement in the making, where no post, it show where a donation in mail for years. Then Nigeria passport we are the city now. So my sister show her where I know how many of those reasonable of those that come with Umenwan. A papa I call it a Canada. I work Umenwan. Ne pada was our talk better. Oh, Umenwan we were what ho. You watch your little one. A pada little me fine. Or a little me. Oh, you know, say in a little room. If I don't say what little me. If I don't or you are watching a video on YouTube. You are a marry like where we are now. Una where or Timan the Murphy. Always statements no make. Or we made to be men of work one on one. The marquee with imagine believe it only exists. But we do tell me no one last way. Or if we are we want to talk baby. If we have no red body or belly out in case you are me, baby. Oh, yes. Oh, you are very correct. Oh, we don't type, or I tell the baby Latin. Or I pay any amount or the good in the worst. Or women of work when I'm number one person, I will support you. Oh, my, save my number. No one, save the number. Any amount that nothing more than we or a good in no we. Honestly, provided the list. Even no bad big may you told you with the When you tie anywhere, you will pay for the good. Umenwan, don't hesitate to give me a call. Anyone send it to me, I will pay. I love honest people. I want to see our double be honest pieces here. Meanwhile, also I will they also working and bless you. And no mula, the idea mula is a very unique one. No, it. People are interested in this issue of Eddie Murphy saying he got lost. So people they interested. Bro, do you even know the first part? But yeah, really are shocking me. Most of the people are even interested. They're even into politics. They are even APC people. They are not interested in the matter of the Murphy movie. I'm a politician, you know. And I'm a family. I'm a politician. Everyone, young man, when we I set it for so when we know, even though we know. Me force when we do by a government of him. But your doings, I appreciate it. I like it. Ove will say Uvetien, nobody will say Uvetien, my way allow Asaboro. They really talk to me. I said, okay, if I was up there, I appreciate you, bro. One love. I go one no matter what. But he said so why I misbehave, I've been young here. You understand? Eddie Orionba Avest in your room, even you here. Go to a day. You will any time. Lao, Ego. Very again. I don't get any, that's the truth. The song, I know how much I pay for that song where they play so. I think they praise. I just praise all the presenters. When say few of the voices are not design. I've met so many presenters I will give them. So, you know me. If you are doing well, I will praise you. But if you are getting it wrong, I will let you know the truth. Eddie Murphy give us proof to show your good loss. Who may want to support you to find the gold. I don't understand. I want to join you. Your so-called godson, Orionba Enoki, he not join you find your gold. Enogi madeba we go ale go we no we. Me I decide to assure you we ya go ale go we temata send it be government ya the police ya donation the go we no we. Then you leave the rest for me. If you not see your gold, you not try to be frank. Send me the paper. We Bogun police state donation your gold. Wallahi. If you not see your gold, you need to be frank. Let me talk properly. A joke. What post there? Women WhatsApp number, send it with WhatsApp number. I will post, I will read and I'll post myself, I will translate sharply. Umana me good the way frank. And I may good way we. Oh, you will of your Jabari of your send me the donation paper. On that 2 months, good woman Latin. Go baz. Don't be joke now. You feel me so? Ogimanyisi. Enu ye malaina. Awe rame walaho. Wa agba ore monu wa bie. Omo ga gbo hero. Anawe ye me no ero wa. Oda fun wa agba ore monu abie wati re. Ye pichi ya gun me so woman picho penu bie na. Picho re ni ore gun. Sinika me. Gie no. Mana agba ore monu bie zizano. At least a day phone mo. A phone tablet at the money mo ya agbegbe. Ipele bunde. Unanga who know that so send me the man picture. Not be Joe. Gege. Odo. Aviele le mo see water. No my drink. I want no. You understand? Voilà. Averame. You saw boy in wa. In my life, in Waro, it's not my thing. Because I know what in man they pass through for life. I be man. You understand? I know they enjoy insulting men. Because I know what they are passing through in life. But my fellow gender men, please, when you do well. This year 2026, Well, I own name woman here saga. Not be lie. If you be saying a man go saga this year, no saga woman. So please do the needful. Be sincere, be honest with your baby mama. Take responsibility of your children. You not get issue.
Why don't know?
Water.
Anointing.
Also.
Waiting, I want to talk. I want to make I speak our broken, make everybody understand.
Exactly. Go ahead.
You know, say that children, when parents not they careful. But I say since last year you dey talk this thing now one side. You understand? There is a lot of parents that want to care for their children. But because that man didn't marry to that lady or that girl, they will not allow the man to see their children.
No, mommy,
Yes,
mommy, this year, see the way I talk, I say, any man where you want to take care of your children, the baby mama don't want to allow the man to take care of children. May you see carry the woman come give me. You understand?
Okay.
Anyway,
Okay.
now two sides, not be only one side. This year, now two sides. Not be only mama. Woman will be saying that say, yeah, no, that you don't bow with me. Waspo Larry, ya bole biwa. Joke. Man, understand me? Not be only mama. Women, as I say, women, you born for man, carry the pikin wrong. You know me, the man will take care of the pikin. We plenty you. He plenty for this Europe. Am I on a egg one?
They're not the agreement man here to begin.
Again, the saga yasu.
They post, they go.
Again, the saga yasu.
This person, now you are born for. Then you know they allow the man
yes,
to talk to the pikin.
Again, the saga yasu. Such a bit of not be joke. This mean they go breathe smoke.
Me, I go because it don't take away with me. I go talk am because it don't take. You know, say sometimes, people they say us we really they pace, we really want to do something, but they not fit to. You understand?
Exactly.
Now, Christmas they do so. We just do Christmas and New Year.
Exactly.
I have people they are carrying children about say, now my son birthday, I have grandchildren.
Okay.
But I cannot talk to them.
Yeah.
Not be today. Right from when they gave birth to that child, I try my best, talk to their father, their mother, nothing.
Mama, this year, will they so all of them, all those girls, all those women, their picture will fall out. One by one. When you have baby beyond, all things they go change. Make the early year now.
The one they carry around, they do birthdays for. The one I buy gold for, they buy Italian gold, that time they say Italian gold.
Okay.
Give them put for their neck, all of them. How can a woman born for man?
This
you
year.
They go, they call the boy, mama say make him want to begin me, not call you again. I mean, you they don't say you born for the boy.
They carry your DNA, they work out. Where they call you,
and when you get belay, you say now you get belay for. Then the name where now me give them all the name where they appear. Then you not grip put their son name. Then you they talk they go say now you born for. But the surname of the man when we give you not put up, but you put the name where would they bear. And what to make me the happy now the name where I give all of the night that they appear.
No, it's very
painful.
It's a guy they will get a lot of useless women for abroad here. Not be joke. We get a lot of useless women for this abroad.
A lot of our sons, a lot of them are crying inside. I know many people that is calling me. I know many people that I pray for. I know many people that is facing the same thing we are facing. A lot with the gist is all over, not only Europe, in UK here, everywhere.
But me what doing again now? A move best in your house.
They will keep their boyfriend for inside house. They take them. They make those children. They call those boyfriend daddy. Then they call their daddy uncle.
We are wrong. The one where we
even drag go court for Germany there. Now we carry a go court. Now we power spend money, do everything. The money when they take off, waste it don't that he pay everything. He carry pikin, go out. Why you not dress her? They buy clothes for her. Now he go the talk. We let her for her now. But if they collect money every month.
Which is bad. She are talking and say, maybe man to take responsibility of his children. Man will come and say, he want to take responsibility.
When we go do burial, we buy clothes. I even sew clothes. I take my money back. You know, say person know they talk come out, they know what they happen. I still buy this senator. I sew clothes when power still go get after we do burial. We still sew burial clothes come for this street. It the agreement make papa say I go.